Hello Arjun, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, how are you?
I am fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, Arjun, you have applied for a front-end developer profile. So, can you just brief me about yourself?
Sir, my name is Chavan Arjun. I am from Adgaon. I am graduation complete 2020 in BSc in Sri Shivaji College in Parvani, sir. I am skill developed to Angular 10. Okay, sir. I am front end developer, sir.
Okay. So, okay, Arjun. So, can you just tell me about your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, my strength is my hardworking person, sir, and my weakness is error solving until they fix it.
Error solving.
Error solving until they fix it.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay. That's nice to hear. So, Arjun, what is HTML?
HTML is the hypertext markup language to skeleton by create the website and a web application to HTML designed to browser.
And what is CSS?
CSS is three type of CSS designed for HTML: inline CSS, external CSS, and internal CSS. Inline CSS is a class of attribute use, and in external CSS is create to CSS file and give the CSS.
Okay. What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is lightweight interrupted object. First class scripting language is called JavaScript.
What is the difference between the HTML5 and previous versions of HTML?
HTML5 is more than for version, and HTML5 is doc type declaration is small code use, and doc type 4 is not video image tag, and he is 5 version is tag emphasis tag, italic tag, and audio use the estimate.
What is the difference between inline element and block level element?
In block element is 100% occupied width parent, and inline element is width is equal to width padding and content. Block element start on new line, inline element start on same line. Inline element apply height and width, inline element it not apply height and width. Block element is start for direction margin, and inline element only margin two side or left and right.
Okay.
And inline element, for example, span, image tag, and block element is h1 h2 h3 h6 and div text.
Okay. So Why we use meta tag? What is the purpose of using meta tag?
Hmm. Sir, no.
Yes.
Sir, no.
Okay, fine. So what is the use of head tag?
Head tag is used yes title and uh, uh, to redirect next tab, sir. To link of CSS, sir. Use of estimates file, sir.
Okay. What is the difference between pseudo class and pseudo element?
Sir, pseudo class is first child, last pseudo class is first child, last child, end child. You first element, last element, nth of child, type of child, over focus, आणि inline element is line, uh, after, before, link.
Okay. What is float?
Float is the formulating and formulating and position, sir. It is used position and formulating text, sir. It's called float.
No. What is the difference between text align and float?
Float is by default left and right, and text align is center.
No.
Sir, no.
Okay. So what is the difference between position absolute and position relative?
Position
Absolute and position relative.
position absolute is float, float, position relative is move to absolute, position is box is left and right.
No, this is not the difference. Okay, tell me which property will use to if we are using one image and it is coming multiple times. So how will you handle that?
Sir, repeat.
you are using one image and it is coming multiple times. So which property will use?
Image, sir. Image tag is
No, no. Do you know cover property? Cover image property. Okay. What is object fit property is used for?
all object property.
Yes.
When are store multiple data to pair of multiple data pair of key and value pair is called
No, no, no. Not asking about object. Object fit property will use on image, no? Object fit
object fit cover
center.
property is only image original position, sir. Float sir, fit cover, sir. Adjust image, sir.
Mm, 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 mm. Okay. What is JavaScript
It
that
is
you told?
it,
Correct.
yes.
So tell me what is first class function?
First class function, sir. No. First class, sir. Scripting language in JavaScript, sir. Function. Sir, no.
Okay. So what is hoisting?
All the declaration, all the declaration to shift on top of the page is called hosting. All the declaration scope or page shifted on top of the page, sir, is called hosting.
Okay. Okay. So what is scope?
Scope is availability and accessibility is called scope.
How many types of scopes are there?
Yes, sir.
How many types of scopes are there?
Global scope and block scope, sir. Two type.
Can you explain me with the example? Share your screen. Explain me all the three scopes are there: global, functional, and block scope. Okay.
Okay. Sir, this scope is function scope. G is block scope.
Which one is the functional scope?
This is function scope, sir.
Okay.
Console Y.
Okay. There is a mistake. Did you wrote a correct function? Where is the function's name?
Yes, sir.
How will you write a function like that? Okay, tell me what is block scope. That is wrong. You did not given a name to the function. At 5 number line, you have to give some name to that function.
Function scope. Sir, no.
Okay, fine. So tell me what is block scope.
Block scope is outside where x equal to 10, sir.
Explain me with the example.
This is block scope, sir.
This is not the block scope. This is a global scope, correct?
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Ah, yes. No, you are writing wrong.
Sorry.
What is this? This is not a function, not a variable. Okay. So you wrote first class function, but where is the name of function? You're writing a wrong code. You have to practice a lot.
Okay, sir.
So tell me what is array?
Array store the multiple or store the multiple data and index number basic of index number is called array.
What is the difference between push and pop?
Push and pop. Push method is uh, add the last element, and pop is last element remove.
Okay. What is string?
Repeat, sir, question.
What is string?
String, sir, is text name, email is called is etc. is string, sir. Double inverted comma is string, sir. For example, object equal player equal to curly bracket f name uh, equal to in double inverted is uh, uh, name is in strings.
Okay. What is the difference between slice and splice?
Splice method is uh, index first add one element and second is two number is delete, sir. Array name splice one bracket 1 comma 2 is double inverted add to uh, name, sir. Splice is delete and length object returns.
Arjun, we are done with your interview. So, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.